Silk press is silk pressing. What? What's good, my people?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and introducing.
It's your girl Nicole. Welcome. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you've been rocking with me, okay, thank you, boo. Okay, y'all, so today I am recording like an updated silk pressy routine, okay? And I'm going to do everything from like washing it to blowing it out to flat ironing it. It sounds like a lot of work, but it's not really that bad. It takes me about an hour and a half to do the blowout and the flat iron part, okay? What I'm going to be using to shampoo my hair is the Olaplex number 4. I used this twice before already. Love it. Very clarifying. The first wash is a little, you know what I mean? And then the second wash, that's when everything gets like really good. So I like to shampoo my hair like 2 or 3 times, especially when I haven't done it in a while. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I've actually washed my hair, so yeah. And I'm actually using a different deep conditioner. I don't use a wash out conditioner. I just go in right after the shampoo with a deep conditioner. So I'm using this for the first time. It's from Raw Sugar and I got it from Target. Okay, the scent is avocado oil, banana, coconut milk, and agave. So I've been really needing to do a deep conditioner. I like the scent because it's not super harsh. It's like really light but smells really good, and I saw good reviews about it, so can't wait to try it. Well, let me take this down so you can see what my hair is looking like. The reason why I need to wash it is because it's just really greasy. This is what we have going on. A greasy hot mess.
Oh yeah, you're the one for me. I know that you're somebody else's guy, but these feelings that I have for you I can't deny. She doesn't treat you the way you want her to. So come on, stop running. What your girl don't know won't hurt her.
Okay, y'all, so we are out of the shower. Bear with me, okay? That was my first shower scene. We had a lot of things going on. The camera died in the middle of me washing my hair, so I just went ahead and put the deep conditioner in and jumped out of the shower, changed the battery, jumped back in, and then show you guys me washing it out. So after I got out, I put on this microfiber towel and kind of get that moisture out. Of course, I have heat damage, y'all, so don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. Some of my curls are still there, but for the most part, honey. Well, this is my favorite tool to use when I blow dry my hair. And then the product that I'm going to be using for heat protectant is this Kristen S blow dry spray. This is my absolute favorite. It does not leave my hair greasy, which I love. I use this before I blow dry. And then I put the Olaplex number 7 on my hair before I flat iron. The blow dryer that I'm using is just something that I received from Paul Mitchell when I used to be in hair school. I have to blow dry, flat iron, pretty much just do my hair in sections. So that's what I'm doing now, is parting my hair into my 4 sections. Let me spray this on here because, child, I almost forgot. Like these back pieces back here, no curl. I used to take smaller sections when my hair was more curly, more harder to deal with, but now my hair is more straight, so it's not really that hard to deal with. It's a lot more manageable. And I'm just gonna detangle. It doesn't take a lot to detangle my hair now that it is heat damaged. So real quick, I blow dry my hair. I try to like put the blow dryer up here and then brush it down, because what I'm trying to do is smooth the cuticles downward. It'll help with keeping my hair from frizzing and get it more smooth basically. When I use the brush to go like this, it helps me get like more of my roots flat and silky as opposed to just the shaft of my hair. So I'm going like this to straighten out my roots more. Now we're gonna move on to the next section.
Yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? You took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So keep yourself to me, if I'm the girl that's playing. Why don't you say the same? You said to me yesterday. You know we say that I am assuming things. What's going on is the way we see. Shouldn't be the reason why you act this way. Nobody's holding you back from me. You know how you used to do. You saying everything to me times two. I need you.
So this is what we got so far on the first side. That took me all of 15 minutes. So let me do the other side real quick. Okay, so we are all done with the blow drying process. Came out really good. It is really straight. The key to a good flat iron is a really good blowout. Oh, y'all, it's hot in here from that blow dryer. I ain't even gonna lie to you. The flat iron that I'm using is this Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro. The one where you can curl. I do use this to curl, but it's not the one that you can use to curl. But I love this flat iron. The other one is like $200 and I would love to get that one. I think this one was $140, $130, I don't know, don't quote me. But this one will do for now. It does the job, so we're not complaining over here. So now I'm about to use a drop, like literally a drop of this, because I hate when my hair gets greasy quick. Like, I don't want my hair to be greasy. And they definitely don't want you to use a lot of it because they make it hard for you to get it out. So legit, this is what I'm using. Like, I try to get it on my fingertips and my hand and just kind of go through my hair. Okay, I think we are good. Now we're working with this back section back here. And I love having a really good blow dry because it means you won't have to do much when it comes to flat ironing it. When I am flat ironing it, I make sure that I get the root more than the base of my hair, just because like the shaft of my hair is really straight already. Like, as you can see, it's like it's already straight. Hold on. I also like to close the plaits like pretty tight on my hair. I don't know if that's doing anything, but it makes me feel better.
Heard about the things I used to do, the games I used to play, the girls that didn't last. I saw your mind, think I'm doing wrong. And I say what is real, you are the only one. When I'm not around, do you think of me? Oh, what the jealous ones are claiming me to be. You should know now that it's gonna take a lot of trust from you for us to make it through. You should know me.
Home Depot and get me another one of those shelves. Yeah. It took me like 30 minutes to flat iron my hair as well. So this took an hour, where I'm telling you, it used to take an hour and a half, but because my blow dry process is getting easier, it's making my flat iron process easier.
Baby, it's my past, but you changed me now. Now that I'm into love, it's you to show me how. Your love's so real, I'd be a fool to play down on you. I want to stay with you. You should know by now that it's gonna take a lot of trust from you for
I'm gonna come back on here after I wrap it because it always looks so much better after it's wrapped and laid down for a little bit. Okay, y'all, so we back. My hair's been wrapped for like 20 minutes, y'all. Nothing crazy. Because I'm about to go somewhere, so I had to unwrap it. My wrapping job also, nothing crazy. My wrapping job looks terrible always on the first day, and I got a bunch of bobby pins in here, so the bobby pin indentation might be in there. So if you do use the bobby pins like I did, try to see if you can remove them. So I like to wear my hair parted off to the side. I like side parts. I like deep side parts. I like regular side parts. I like middle parts as well. Let me show y'all what the middle part gives. When my hair is in the middle part, I always like tuck my hair behind my ear. Like that. I do that a lot. I think she's giving side part today. Middle part. I think she's giving middle part today. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Y'all, it's 80 degrees outside. We about to go to the pumpkin patch. Sorry, this is not a vlog. I'm just letting y'all know, but hopefully my hair is gonna be good. I have this edge tamer. It's called Edge Lay, and it's from the Love Letter. It's a small company here in Charlotte. The best edge control I've ever had or ever tried in my whole life. Like, I don't even know what else to say about that. I'm not good at edges, okay? Disclaimer, disclaimer. Edges look crazy, but this video was about the silk press, honey. So, silk press is silk pressing. What? Thanks for watching. I love you.